The human brain is a complex organ, responsible for controlling various cognitive functions and bodily processes. It can be divided into several main regions, each with specific roles and functions. Here's an overview of the basic structure of the human brain.
Cerebrum. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain and is responsible for higher cognitive functions such as thinking, perception, voluntary movements, and problem solving. It is divided into two hemispheres, the left hemisphere and the right hemisphere, connected by a bundle of nerve
Frontal
fibers.
lobe, located in the front of the brain. The frontal lobe is involved in decision-making, problem-solving, planning, personality, and voluntary movements. B. Parietal lobe. Situated behind the frontal lobe, the parietal lobe is responsible for processing sensory information like touch,
temperature, pain, and spatial awareness. C. Temporal lobe, found on the sides of the brain. The temporal lobe plays a crucial role in hearing, language processing, memory, and emotions. D. Occipital lobe, situated at the back of the brain. The occipital lobe is primarily responsible for
visual
processing
information. Cerebellum. The cerebellum is located at the back of the brain, just below the cerebrum. It is involved in coordinating motor movements, balance, posture, and muscle memory.
The brainstem is the lower part of the brain that connects the cerebrum and cerebellum to the spinal cord. It controls essential functions for survival, including breathing, heart rate, blood pressure, and digestion. The brainstem consists of three parts. Medulla oblongata controls involuntary functions like breathing, heart rate, and blood pressure. B. Pons acts as a bridge between the cerebellum and the rest of the brain, coordinating movement and relaying sensory information.
Pons acts as a bridge between the cerebellum and the rest of the brain, coordinating movement and relaying sensory information. C. Midbrain plays a role in regulating eye movement, auditory and visual processing, and motor control. Diencephalon. The diencephalon is located at the center of the brain and includes several important structures. A. Thalamus acts as a relay center, receiving sensory information except smell and sending it to the appropriate parts of the cerebrocortex,